Howdy YouTube, Noah back here with another video for y'all. So today, just putting together the clips I got from Fabtech. Don't really have a whole lot of clips, just a little bit here and there. I was more concerned about looking at what was at the show versus actually filming for y'all. I apologize. Thought I was gonna get my brother to do more than I did, but anyway, that's not here nor there. But I definitely would recommend anybody that's thinking about going next year. It's in Vegas, from what I understand. It's definitely the way to go. It's definitely a show you want to go to. Definitely, there's so much things under one roof. There's anything from press brakes, plasma tables to plasma cutters, all sorts of different welders, different rods, different specialty wires, different grinding discs. It goes on and on. Micro TIG welding. I mean, anything like that. And so many different people from the Instagram community. I met Jody from Welding Tips and Tricks. I met what's his name? IC Weld, Isaac Carrion from IC Weld on Instagram. Met him, and YouTube. Met him, met YourWorld.com. Met. Sorry if I put your handle out, I'm terrible with names. A few other people. Saw GarageBound LLC. Didn't really get to talk to him too much. He was busy running a plasma table, but it was still awesome to see him. Yeah, it was a crazy show. Saw a lot of different people that you never thought I'd be able to meet. So definitely didn't get engaged. Definitely I didn't go to any of the what they call it, the after parties or whatever you want to call them, the meetups. That's what I mean. I got the 2 days I was there, they didn't really have any meetups that I knew about, so still was great. Still was good. Definitely met up with all the show itself, all the stuff. The Phronius, Mill, Lincoln, Aesop, everything. I was mostly impressed with the Aesop booth personally, but that's just my opinion. I have a part of the video on the end that will explain that a little bit better. But yeah, definitely planning on going next year. Next year as right now, it is in Las Vegas. Should be about the similar weekend. It's in Las Vegas, and it's so yeah, that should be fun. Hopefully I can make it there next year. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to or not, with the baby and all. I'm thinking I will be, but we'll just have to wait and see till then. But yeah, that should be fun. It's an excuse to go to Vegas and an excuse to go to Fabtech. What more do you need? They say everything, flights are cheap to Vegas, so we're going to find out. But yeah, it should be fun. And then the next year it should be back in Atlanta if they stay in order. But yeah, it should be fun. I'm looking forward to it for sure. And if any of y'all missed it this year and thinking, you should definitely go next year if you can. Definitely something that's well worth your while to do, in my opinion. But yeah, definitely, if you can do it, do it. But yeah, it's well worth the time. A couple things I would change is I'd have a plan when I go in, like what boots I want to see and stuff like that. I kind of was crisscrossing all over, but it was still good. Still made it work. The second day I had a little bit better of a plan than I did the first day. But other than that, it was a good show. Trying to think what else. Probably next year. The next time it's in. Next time it is in Chicago, I'll probably either stay there at the convention center or in one of the hotels surrounding this convention center. Just easier. Where I stayed this time was out by the airport, just because it was quite a bit cheaper. It was about a 20-30 minute Uber ride, so it wasn't too bad, but still. Yeah, but still, it was still pretty good. and yeah, I'm looking forward to Vegas, like I said. And then Atlanta, I'll probably just drive. Vegas, I'll probably just fly. But we'll see what happens if we end up going out there or not. Let y'all know once I decide. But yeah, so that's basically what I'd recommend if you think about going. Definitely go. It's well worth the time. And wish I spent a little more time looking at certain booths and inquiring about certain equipment, but it was still a good show. I was just taking it all in. It's amazing how much stuff they fit under one roof, and yeah, it's amazing. But anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. There was a whole bunch. This is just clips. I probably put some music on it. Just some random clips I did. I wasn't paying too much attention to the video. I was getting on more trying to get just taking the show. But yeah, there's just a couple clips. There's some plasma tables, just some pans, really just looking around, seeing what they have. But yeah, that's pretty much it. At the end, I got a little wrap-up video. But alright, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more. And I'll see y'all later. Enjoy. What's going on YouTube? Noah here. We're at Fabtech. I'm right by the Lincoln booth. The show's about to be done, so I'm just trying to pack up and get out of here. Well, not pack up, but just get out of here. But yeah, it's been a great show. Saw a lot of different things here, a little bit of everything. So yeah, it's a great show. Glad I came. I got to meet Jody Coyle. That was awesome. And YourWorld.com, I forget his name, sorry. Met him, so that's a pretty good show. Can't complain. So I definitely I didn't get a bunch of footage, but I got some that I put into one video. Won't be much, but I'll do a voiceover and all that for it. But
it should be good. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. I'll talk to y'all after.